channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable Rarity plush. For the pattern, I purchased this on Etsy from a shop called Plush. All other materials are listed in the description below. After all of the parts are cut out, it is time to start with the head. I have three embroidery sections: the eyes, the cutie mark, and my logo on the foot. I designed all the embroidery myself on Hatch. For the embroidery machine, I used the 10 needle Entrepreneur Pro X, but you can use any embroidery machine. It just limits the size of your embroidery kit. Each side of the face has two darts. This helps the head to give it a more defined shape. I do leave out a good part of the pattern. I don't want Knox Plush to be not paid for her work. After all the parts of the head are sewn and flipped, it is time for stuffing. I stuff the nose pretty firm for booping. For the ears, I ended up not liking how the pattern was designed, so I ended up making my own. For a magical unicorn feel, I used variegated purple thread. I used this to wrap around the horn to give the horn indentions as if it was growing instead of being just a flat triangle. After the head is all finished, it's time to start on the body. I always have a hard time with how the guskets line up with the legs. After the hind legs are sewn, it is time to attach them to the main body. After all the legs are sewn, then we can go up and sew up the back of the body. Now it's time to move on to the mane and tail. I patterned out 3 pieces for her hair, mane, tail, and bangs. Originally, I planned on using blanket batting, but it looked thin and limp and not enough detail. I decided to go with polyfill. After the edges were sewn together, I flipped out the hair pieces with the right side out. I loosely packed with polyfill. I then sewed channels in the hair pieces. This will help guide the aluminum wire to its correct position. The wire allows for all the hair pieces to be styled to any way you see fit. After all of the channels were sewn, I went ahead and did a zigzag stitch along the edge of the hair. Now it is time to whip stitch the hairpiece to the body. After her trip to the salon, she's all finished. She measures about 13 to 14 inches tall. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to support me, check out my Etsy at the link below.